guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching the other ones. I've gotten way more subscribers and way more views than I thought I would have. But today we're going to be making some orange chicken and some fried rice on the Blackstone. And while some of you may look at me right now and think, why isn't he playing in the NBA playoffs? Quite simply, I decided to quit growing at 5'6". So here I am making food cooking videos for you guys. Alright, let's get started. First thing I do is chicken breasts are so fat at one end and skinny at the other. I like to throw it in a bag. Put a little bit of oil in there on it. Get the air out. And you want to flatten it so that when you cook it, it all cooks the same duration. So the easiest way to do that, get a liquor bottle and beat the shit out of it. Mission accomplished. Industry secret, by the way. Now your chicken breast is real fat on one end, skinny on the other. It's the same desired thickness, so when you put it on the griddle, it'll all be flat. The same thing with this one. The oil in there, the air out. Beat the shit out of it. Voila, flat chicken breast. Alright, next up, you want to put some cornstarch in a pan, like so. Then you take an egg. Luckily, I have about 50 chickens that run around my yard, and they lay eggs everywhere, including our garage. This particular one comes from the garage. So we're going to go ahead and bust this. What's up, guys? Did y'all miss me? Okay, so guys, I'm back. Apparently my camera batteries decided to die halfway through the video. So here we go, going back at it. Again, the only thing we're doing right now is making an egg wash for our chicken. So a quick story about today and how this video has failed multiple times is I got up this morning, figured out what I was going to make, put everything to de-thaw, and I decided that I was definitely going to do orange chicken and house fried rice. But the problem with that is I de-thawed fish. And I don't have a good orange fish recipe. So I had to scramble at the last minute to get some more chicken. Watch that. So that I could make the original recipe. Again, add a little bit more cornstarch. A ton of salt, some black pepper, and as my good friend Renata says, some Lowry's seasoning salt, which she uses in everything, including birthday cakes. Alright, so it should look like that. And that's it as far as preparation for the grill. Next we'll go out there, we'll heat up our griddle, get everything hot, get the oil on it, and get started with the house fried rice and the orange chicken. Alright, here we are outside setting up our griddle. When you use a Blackstone, a secret to making it all come on evenly is when you turn your gas on, turn it on really slow. And on, and all 4 burners light up. A lot of people have problems, including myself when I first started with the Blackstone. I would fire the gas right up, Blackstone wouldn't come on, only 1 burner or possibly 2. So that's the secret to getting your Blackstone fired up. Okay, next thing you want to do, let it heat up so you can wipe it down with some oil. Okay, next up we are adding Panda Express orange sauce. That's our orange chicken, and we're about to pull it off. Okay, next up we use refrigerated rice. It has to be refrigerated or it won't turn out as good.